Hey, welcome back. I'm Joel, and in this video, we're going to go over my stock photo and video sales for the month of August 2023. Now, whether you're a new or a seasoned stock contributor, be sure to stick around because we'll be discussing my actual earnings as well as show you examples of what images are selling for me. If you're here to learn what my stock photography earnings were for August 2023, go ahead and type in August 1000 in the comments below. All right, now that you've done that, let's go ahead and get started. So overall, August was actually a pretty productive month for me. I was still in Bulgaria, or at least for the most of the month, I was in Bulgaria and just kind of finishing up our time there with my other travel channel and everything. But unfortunately, I had to leave Bulgaria and return back to the United States at the end of the month, which made me a little bit sad because I really liked it over there. I did have, however, managed to upload a handful of images and even some videos to multiple agencies in August. Now let's go ahead and get into my August sales, starting with the agencies that basically had like really low sales, just a few here and there. I like to call these my dishonorable mentions. August's dishonorable mentions were Dreamstime, Adobe, Canva, 123RF, and Deposit Photos. So here's a couple of the images that did sell for me. Starting with this vertical shot of palm trees from a resort in Kauai, Hawaii, that sold on 123RF. Next, we have this residential building with old grapevines growing along the side that was actually shot in Bulgaria, also sold on 123RF. This landscape shot of Emerald Bay and Fennett Island from Lake Tahoe, California, sold on Deposit Photos. And then this lovely shot from Kauai, Hawaii of a fancy house like overlooking a hill with palm trees, sold on Adobe, as did this landscape of beautiful rolling golden hills from Northern California. Next, we have this high angle shot of Las Cabezas Chiquitas Point in Fajardo, Puerto Rico, that sold on Dreamstime. And finally, I got a sale of this recent upload of the I Love Puerto Rico sign from San Juan, Puerto Rico, and that's also sold on Dreamstime. In total, I earned $6.90 from all of those combined. Now, you don't always get sales from all the agencies or platforms. Those agencies and platforms were VideoHive, IM, Pond5, Alame, Canva, Dreamstime, and of course, Fine Art America. Now, I did get sales in some other agencies, starting with iStock Getty. There, I earned $6.62 from 6 image sales, which isn't too bad. My portfolio there is still just 106 images and no videos. I clearly haven't found time to upload more to iStock like I probably should. The thing that throws me off there is it has a slightly different, the way the keywording is a little bit different. So anything I upload there, I always have to go through manually and like select new keywords to replace the ones that I normally use. And that's pretty much why I don't upload as much there, because it just feels like it just takes a lot longer for me. But anyways, some of the ones that sold, you've definitely seen these before because it's pretty much always the same ones that sell over and over, like the silhouetted palm trees at sunset in Santa Monica, or this yellow person-shaped barricades. But also this one model-released image of my wife taking a photo at the beach sold as well in iStock Getty. Next, let's talk about Wirestock. Wirestock didn't do too bad for me in August. It brought me in $9.16, and that was from 9 image sales. Now I have 550 images and 93 videos in my portfolio on Wirestock, but not all of the $9.16 was actually from image sales or video sales. 455 of that was actually earnings from 32 referral sales. So if you've signed up through any of my links, like my Wirestock link in this case, then I do get a small commission off of your sales that comes out of Wirestock's cut. So anyways, it's still good to see that you guys are getting sales because I wouldn't see any of those sales if it were the other way around. So here's a couple of those images that did sell for me. So here are a few of the images that did sell for me, starting at this image of a male hiker trekking in the El Yunque tropical rainforest in Puerto Rico. That's actually me, and it sold via Shutterstock. This close-up of a red-colored cattle squeeze chute from a farm in Texas, also sold for me. And this second angle of that same colored cattle squeeze shoot sold as well. Both of those were through Shutterstock. And finally, this landscape shot of a full moon rising above the forest with a purple sky at dusk sold on Adobe. So now we'll talk about Shutterstock. It was my second best agency for August, where I had 15 image downloads. Now, as I mentioned in last month's video, Shutterstock did update their contributor agreement at the beginning of September, which clearly states that I can't share earnings data anymore. And I'm obviously filming this video a little late, so it's already been going on. So I'm not about to have my account suspended or anything like that, so I'm not going to be able to share exact numbers. So my portfolio with Shutterstock is 777 images and 92 videos in August. And my highest earning image sales were the following. These beachgoers at Loquillo Beach, Puerto Rico sold for me, as well as this other Puerto Rico image of this couple walking along the beach with the El Yunque rainforest in the background. And that one also sold on Adobe, by the way. Next, this wide shot of the Don Cesar Hotel in Florida as seen from the beach, which also sold on Deposit Photos. Next, we have this vertical image of the front door of La Casa Estrecha, the world's narrowest house in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Now here are a couple of the other sales that I had as well in Shutterstock. We had this winglet view of Oahu, Hawaii. And that was from the window of a Southwest Airlines plane. And that was an editorial image. And then finally, this yellow lifeguard hut on the beach in Siesta Key, Florida, shot at dusk. And before I get into my best agency for the month of August, do me a favor and give the video a like to help others find this type of content. And also, if you're not subscribed already, do so now. And if any of my videos, of course, have helped you, you can always show your appreciation by using any of the links in the description. You can also say thanks with the super, which is a way to, I guess, send money to people through YouTube. So you can do that if you like. I haven't received those yet. So, or you can even buy me a beer if you like as well. And again, there's links in the description for all of that. Thank you so much in advance. Let's talk about my best agency for August. And that was actually Pond 5. I don't get a lot of sales with Pond 5. When I do, they're usually pretty decent. And that was August for me with one video download. So here it is. I have 979 images and 237 videos on my portfolio with Pond 5. And this one video earned me $21.60. So here it is. This is a POV driving along Interstate 40 in Arizona on a clear day. And since the video is in the public and you can see all these cars and stuff like that, it is also sold as editorial. So in August, I earned a total of $60.58 from 42 image sales and one video sale, which is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna complain about that. For my portfolio size and everything like that, 60 bucks is kind of where I'm hoping to be on a month-to-month basis, at least at that level. So I'm actually satisfied with this. Well, I'll go ahead and show you the chart of all of my totals as well by agency. One more thing before you click off the video, you can check out my other channel, Wandering Hartz, if you're interested in seeing any of our travel-related content. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video inspires you with your own stock photography and video journey. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.